do you think about privacy concerns when it comes to journalism and drones?
I think very set boundaries need to be laid out. Here's the thing about technology. Technology does not care whether or not we feel it's right. It is not going to stop. It is not going to go back in the box. It's not going anywhere.
What has spurred all of this innovation?
Over the past 10 years, the technological leaps and bounds we've experienced in mobile technology have been due largely to two entirely separate phenomena occurring at the same time, and then a third that relates to the first two. First, we've discovered how to fit lots of sensors into smaller and smaller devices which connect to the internet. Sensors like gyroscopes, compasses, microphones, cameras, GPS, NFC, and biometric readers. Second, we've realized just how powerful individual sensors can be when working together. Take search, GPS, and photography, for example. By themselves, these devices are useful. In concert, they bring a whole new dimension to our everyday lives. If I take a picture of a road sign, a smartphone knows the exact location, date, and time of the image capture. If I'm looking for related information or sharing my picture with others, that related sensor data refines the search by an order of magnitude compared to the text I can Google off the top of my head. Third, innovation fueled by the demand for this newly found convenience has inspired a generation of software engineers to push the boundaries of these smart devices to work more closely together than ever before. If I were to try to put it in a sentence, Paul, I'd say compact sensors working together fueled by creative software has caused the innovation we've seen over the last decade.
How do you think drones will affect broadcasting?
If you're a broadcaster, you know the logistics involved with some sort of big, wide shot. It usually involves a crane, it involves a much larger crew, and it limits how quickly and how readily you can deploy to some sort of remote area. It's definitely going to make journalists' lives easier. It's very difficult for a crane to be deployed purely for a camera. We need very clear guidelines like rules of engagement for this kind of photography. I think it will lead to a new era of innovation and simplicity for journalists.